Good morning from Deepwood Glade. It is 33 degrees. It's supposed to be 73 degrees this afternoon. It's supposed to go back down to 33 degrees by tomorrow evening. This is not normal weather. But it makes for pretty skies, as long as it isn't filled with chemical lines. Pretty distinct haze in the sky today. But the critters are out. Unfortunately, so are the humans. You can hear the din in the background of all the individuals going to work on the highway, which is miles from here, but the echo is carrying through the sky. We have a friend with us today. Hello, Wigglebutt. Good girl. Please subscribe to Kentucky Tree Farmer.